Yo, 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 welcome to the show.
Hello, everyone. What is good? Happy Sunday. Happy Easter, everyone. If you celebrate Happy Easter, it's 5:05 p.m. Eastern on March 31st, the last day of March. Tomorrow will be April Fool's Day, and I'm very excited, and the markets will be finally open again. So we're gonna be looking in this video at what we plan to be buying this week. It's a new series type of thing I started last week Sunday. Each Sunday afternoon, I want to just run through really quickly what my deposits will be going into for this upcoming week. So I got a little spreadsheet over here showing for April 1st and April 4th, which are the 2 days I usually invest in my brokerage. It's a Monday and a Thursday. And these are the tickers that I plan to be buying. These ones down there have their ex-dividend dates within these time frames, these dates. So I try to keep them, just in my mind or really in my foresight when I'm making my decisions on what things to buy. So this is what it looks like. We have a bunch of stuff here: SPY, SCHD, VTI, and SPY-G. Those will always be there regardless of how much I am depositing or what I am buying or ex dividend dates. They're just things that I see as the backbone of my portfolio. So I just want to always have them, like out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. I don't want them to be out of sight. I might drop, like you see here, an extra $10 or $20 into SPY or VTI, regardless of them paying their dividend or having their ex dividend date soon or not. So looking at what we are buying, the the ones that are, I guess, changeable are Realty Income, Ford, Pepsi, General Mills, and Gap. We're buying some Realty Income. I'm not sure when their ex div will be. They're not down here, so I think it might have just passed or something. But I want to get some more of that. It's really cheap right now, and I mean, why not buy more? I don't want to be too over leveraged, which is probably a reason why I would not want to get too much of Realty Income. But I think they're still trading around $53. I know they had a pretty good week. Oh, they're right at 54. Yeah, they were just floating in the 52s for a good week or two. So maybe they're starting to pick back up. Maybe interest rates are, they're everyone's anticipating them to fall, or to be cut really by the Fed in the upcoming reports. So, and it's also an election year. I'm sure that things will just go up naturally. So we'll be buying some of that, just point 0.2 shares. It should be around $60 based on my estimate. See here, estimated it as 53. Now it's trading 54. So that's going to be a little bit more expensive than 1060. We got Ford here. Ford is trading above 13 bucks, but I estimated it as that. One share of Ford, Pepsi, zero point 0.1 share, General Mills, zero point 0.2, and right here, Gap. Gap is a company I bought like way back then. It's I don't know why their ticker is not GAP. It's GPS, but it's I bought it so cheap, and the reason I bought it was because they had a 5.4% dividend yield or 5.2. And I was like, it's Gap. I see they were on the rise. Why not? I can put $30 into this. When did I buy Gap first? Maybe sometime late last year. I'll actually go back to that and see if I can find the dates just to see when I bought it. August 21st, 2023. I bought 3 shares for $21. Hopefully y'all did see that. Let me go back to it. Hold on. Not sure what is going on here. Let's come here. Gap. Yep. There we go. Oh, I bought 2 shares at 10.52. Then I bought one more share at 11.29. Gap is trading at so much more than that. So I had 3 shares. Two at first gave me the 30-cent dividend because they pay a consistent dividend of 15 cents per share. Gap, where are ya? Up here. 15 cents a share, just like Ford up here. So they're not dividend growers, not in the slightest, but they just have a crazy yield. So in the moment, you're getting a good bang for your buck. Gap, not so much right now, but because I got in so cheap and so early, I have a much higher yield on cost. So even though because their price has pretty much doubled since when I bought them, I can, kind of boast with that um high yield that I have, pretty much. But yeah, Gap is almost at $30 now. Did they touch it at any point? I don't even know. I haven't really been tracking it. I just have 3 shares. But I mean, at this point, I am looking to buy more. I think it's the wrong thing to do. I should just settle with the. I made $50 off of like $30. It's like 153% return. I've imagine all my portfolio was in this. I would be looking so good right now. But it's not, and who would have thought? No one would have ever thought. I'm just appreciative of what I had. Look at that meager 0.64%. Funny. But anyways, buying some more of Gaps. Not a lot at all. I mean, relatively it is a lot because we have 3 shares. A quarter of a share is like a pretty decent deal. But just gonna buy some more of that. It's funny. I estimated the price as $29, so a little bit below that. It might, who knows? Gap might have a freaking 10 or 8% day tomorrow, and I end up buying it at $29. But we'll be buying some more. I guess I'm not buying any main, even though their ex dividend date is coming up. That's fine. I'm not pressed. I think I did buy some more before their ex div date, like before this April 1st date. I'm sure I've been buying some of main. Ford, I'm just steadily buying that, working my way up to 100 shares. I did make my way to 100 shares in my Roth IRA, so if you want to see that video, I'll link that up top. Y'all can check that out. Pretty cool. I was very excited. Gap, buying a little bit of that. General Mills, a little bit of that, and Verizon. Also, we're buying none of that. I think I might have been buying some of Verizon prior. I'm not really sure, but jumping to the 4th, which is Thursday. This day, I will be buying some SPY. Not sure why I decided to buy. Probably just, not that many options in terms of single individual stocks to buy. One more share of Ford. Plan on picking that up. Hopefully, it's trading less than $13 by that point. And Verizon, Visa. Planning on buying some of Visa because I just want to work my way up in Visa. 0.21 of a share and a little bit more a gap just to see if we can capitalize on this bull run that it is having. Who knows if it will fall back to the $9 range or even the teens or something. Who knows? No one really knows. So for now, I am just buying. They're still paying a dividend. I mean, it's not a lot of money. So that's the plan for the week. Same thing with these things down here. A lot of them are not being bought, like Main again, Verizon. Just probably not really feeling it, or maybe I've been buying previously before these dates, and I just feel like there's more important things to buy right now. As I was looking though, um, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for this video a week from now where I'll go over my buys for the next week. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.